Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Confirm the post uses your original work without permission in full or part. Check the post carefully for identical images, text, audio, or video fragments. Note the post URL, timestamps, and screenshots showing the infringement. Save high-resolution copies and include contextual examples from your original upload. Decide if this is removal only or if you want a formal takedown notice sent to Facebook. Identify whether the uploader is impersonating you or reposting without attribution. Record any repeat infringements for escalated action if removal does not occur. Collect original files, upload dates, metadata, and registration numbers if available. Export file properties showing creation date, camera EXIF data, or embedded metadata for proof. Save screenshots showing your ownership and prior publication dates clearly on your profiles or websites. Gather any sales receipts, registration certificates, or third-party licensing agreements that support your claim. Prepare a concise ownership statement, including your full legal name and contact information for the takedown form. Translate dates into ISO format, like 2025-11-21, when submitting to reduce confusion. Keep copies of all. Use Facebook's official copyright form and include required ownership details exactly. Attach your evidence, sign the statement electronically, and choose removal instead of warning when applicable. Provide a clear link to the infringing post and to your original work for verification. Keep copies of submission confirmations and note Facebook's response deadlines in calendar entries. If Facebook denies your claim, file a counter notice or escalate to a DMCA agent or legal counsel. Respond promptly to any follow-up requests and be prepared to provide additional proof. Track outcomes and document repeat offenders to support further enforcement actions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.